how to use Hide My Email on iPhone. So if you want to use Hide My Email on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to go with your name, which will be on the top, and then just scroll down and go with iCloud. From the iCloud, you need to just scroll down a bit, and under iCloud Plus features, you will have an option of Hide My Email. So you need to just simply tap on it, but before that, make sure that you have iCloud Plus features. Make sure that you've subscribed. If you don't have iCloud Plus, or if you've not upgraded to iCloud Plus, then you won't have that option. So once you've find Hide My Email, you need to just tap on it. Now, when you select sign up from a new app with Apple, it will give you an automatic email address right here. It will generate one for you, and so you won't have to do anything else. But if you wanted to use this for signing up for something else that doesn't have the automatic Apple sign in logo, then you're going to create a new address by selecting that create new address, which will be in your Hide My Email section. Apple's going to generate a random email address ending in at iCloud.com for you, and you can label these to whatever you'd like to, so that you will know what particular email address is going to be sign up for. You'll also be able to label your address or make a note, and then you'll all be set. And this way you'll be able to use Hide My Email on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.